Hello, this is going to be a fueling up video of Zippo. So I'll show you guys how to do that. It's my first Zippo and I've just unboxed it. So it's just let's go do that. Right, Zippo fuel. Let's try and get that one done. Shit. I may have spilt a bit of that. Right. Some box. So yeah, just take that in there. Try and just spread that around. Should be enough. Put that back down. I'm just going to get a cloth or something. Just to wipe my Zippo down. Just going to do it. Just wiping it down out of view, sorry. Just an old rag. So it's fairly clean. Just do my Zippo. So let's just put that back in. And I'm going to prime the wick as well. Just a few drops. There you are. Yeah, so yeah, I'll probably do some tricks with these and stuff. But right now, I just want to play with it because it's my first. It's my first Zippo, so I want to play with it. Thanks, rate, comment, subscribe, all that shit. Yeah. Thanks.